How you doing? This is Sean McVeigh with Sean's Outdoor Adventures, and in this video I'm going to share with you a meal that Jerry Canoyer prepared for us at the Map Reading Challenge. So let's check in with Jerry and see what he's making.
Alright, so for the chili, basically I put I think it was tomato sauce, tomato paste, tomato puree, some kidney beans, red, dark and light. Used garlic powder, onion powder, sugar, and 3.5 pounds of ground venison. Basically chopped up your onions, peppers, put everything in there, slowly simmer it for, I think it was about 2 hours, and that's pretty much it.
Alright folks, it is the end of the day one of the Map Reading Challenge. We're basically been back here for a little bit. Jerry made this enormous, and I mean enormous, pot of chili that we could probably eat this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each day and it still wouldn't be done by the time this whole thing was over. But I am slowly trying to warm that. I mean, that thing is enormous. That's gallons, man. Huge. Jerry must have like some of that Italian in him, My mom's Italian, so I'm half Italian. And they have that thing where always way more food than you need. So I'm staying here stirring this baby up as it slowly heats up. Guys should be back anytime. Hopefully they did some shooting. I have no cell phone service, so I have no idea how they did. I have been stirring this chili for an hour. And the guys should be back somewhat soon, but I have got to do a taste test here. Actually, I just started doing a taste test. I like me some bread, so... They say hunger is the best spice, but I don't think it's just my hunger. This is good. Good job, Jerry. I'm just having a little bit right now, and then I'll wait till everybody else gets back. Good job, bro. Well, folks, I want to thank you so much for tuning in to this episode. Next up, we've got Silvio, and I gotta tell you, Silvio makes some delicious meals, and this is a good one. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And until then, take care and God bless.